One of the reasons why I picked up Apple Vision Pro was to edit videos and get the things that I do done on a huge screen anytime, anywhere. I'm not gonna lie, I was tempted by the idea of the possibilities with this. There is no need to have a big display or travel around with a bunch of bulky gear. Just use Vision Pro alongside your Mac and you have the ultimate big screen work setup even when you're out and about on the go. When you think of it like that, it kinda makes the price of this a little bit easier to swallow. It is a gigantic external monitor, multiple projectors, an impressive camera, a powerful computer, the ultimate all-in-one personal entertainment system of the future here now. The best way that I can describe this is like having multiple projectors projecting images everywhere around you. The closest experience that I've gotten to this while editing videos is connecting my MacBook to one of my projectors. Even then, the experience is not the same. After about a week with Apple Vision Pro, I found it to be a pretty solid tool for productivity, and this is only a glimpse into what will be possible in the future. When it comes to video editing specifically, I'm not actually editing videos on the Vision Pro itself. At the moment, there are no native video editing apps, so I've been wirelessly mirroring my Mac display into the virtual space. I have full control with the keyboard and mouse that are connected to my MacBook, so this experience is like having your computer connected to an external display, except that display is on your face. It is weird and trippy at first, but it's something that I've been getting accustomed to. As a matter of fact, I edited this entire video wearing Vision Pro. One of the best things that I found about editing like this is the display in here. It is incredibly crisp and vibrant. It's kind of like having a 4K studio display in each of your eyes. The image is razor sharp and the colors are bright, vibrant, and accurate, just like on any MacBook or Apple display. It might even be better than those. This is hands down the best display that Apple has ever made. Never in my life or producing career did I imagine that I would be editing videos like this. As it is right now, you're just mirroring your Mac display, so you can use Final Cut, Premiere, Resolve, or whatever program you're used to and have installed on your Mac. Where things get challenging with editing like this is in comfort. Vision Pro is a heavy headset, and wearing it for extended periods of time isn't a blast. I've mostly been wearing it with the Solo knit band, which I love because it doesn't mess up my hair as much, but I found the dual loop to be the star of the show. I can easily work for an hour and a half to 2 hours, no problem with it on. Not all video editors and content creators are gonna find this to be a pleasant way to work though. I mean, you literally have something strapped to your face and you're gonna need to find a balance that works for you if you decide to get it. So is Apple Vision Pro worth it for video editing? Well, I think that depends on your use case and what you're actually working on. When you can start pinching and grabbing clips, moving them around, adding effects with native video editing apps, that's when Vision Pro will reach its full potential. If you find mirroring your Mac display useful, the experience here is unlike anything else out there at the moment. It is super cool to be able to multitask with multiple windows in the spatial world alongside your Mac display. All in all, Apple Vision Pro is a glimpse into the future of what is possible, and it is an impressive first take at that. In 3 to 5 years time, give or take a few, I would not be surprised if this becomes the ultimate productivity tool, especially when it inevitably slims down to be just a pair of glasses. It is by no means perfect now, but for a first-gen product, I have been blown away by what's possible. I have not been this excited about a tech gadget in a long time. Time will tell how much I ultimately end up using this for video editing, but rest assured, I will be sharing my experiences with you guys every step of the way, so be sure to follow along and ask me anything that you want about Apple Vision Pro down in the comments box down below. So that's about all that I got for this video, my friends. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you did and you liked what you saw, you know the drill. Be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button because it always helps out the channel. Also, don't forget to follow at Raymond Strazdas on X, Instagram, and TikTok for so much more. Until the next one, I will catch you guys later. Peace!